If you would like to get a Duolingo widget or turn on a Duolingo widget, here is how you can do it. So first thing first, make sure that you have installed Duolingo application in your device. Once you do so, you have to locate this in your home screen and then simply open a new home screen that is completely blank. This will be a placeholder for your widget. Now let's go ahead and turn it on. For that, long tap onto your home screen. You will see widgets automatically, so tap it. And as you can see, I already have Duolingo under my recommended section, but if you don't have it, you have to scroll below and then you have to locate Duolingo. Expand it. And now you can see the streak widget and another is normal widget. So simply tap on any one, then tap add. And wait for this to load, and likewise once it's done, you will be able to see the Duolingo widgets. If you open it, it will simply open your Duolingo app. Just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.